Alright guys, so first off, when you're soldering, you know, of course you have to have your torch, and you have to have your solder, you have to have flux, you have to have sandpaper, inside fitting brush to clean the inside of your fittings, Propress. All you have to have is the tool, you know, and this is the rigid, and the kit goes up to 2-inch. You know, to do the outside, to get the burrs off on the outside, take your sandpaper, go over it. There you go. You know, no rough edges on there. And then if you want to do the inside, instead of going and buying the tool, you just get you some, I use needle nose, but you can use a pocket knife or whatever. Stick it in there and just turn it a little bit. Cutters and cut it. It's just so much smoother, and then you ain't got a whole lot of sanding. There you go. It's ready. And then also, you know, you don't have to wait on it to cool. You can go ahead and put the Teflon tape on there. And you know, I use Monster. I like the blue Monster, you know. Like I said, you do not have to wait for it to cool down, because there's no heat to it. So you think about the time that the plumber would spend out there, and including myself. There you go, it's ready. Just went over it like that to knock the burrs off on the Propress, but you actually have to make sure that it's clean. You can't leave none of them little black marks on there and try to solder this. Then you have to get your fitting brush, clean the inside of this, get your paste, put it on the inside of that, put it on the outside of your pipe, put it together, and I've got a video on there about the MAP gas compared to your propane. MAP gas, yellow bottle, heats up a lot quicker. Okay, so after you solder it, you can't just go ahead and put the blue Monster Teflon tape on there. You have to wait for this to cool. And if you remember, when I did the Propress, we put it on there, crimped it down, put the Teflon tape on, it's ready to go. So there it is, guys, why a Propress is much better than soldering.